Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn and Inspire. This video is about class 9 mathematics chapter 2 polynomials and factorisation. Okay, so in the previous class we discussed about exercise 2.2 and now in this video we shall discuss a few problems about exercise 2.3. Before starting the exercise we discuss a small topic about a remainder theorem. What is this remainder theorem? Okay, so based on this remainder theorem we learn exercise 2.3. okay, now let's start about remainder theorem. So suppose let p of x be any polynomial. Okay, so let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1. Degree should be greater than or equals to 1. Okay, let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equals to 1. Okay, and let a be any real number. Let a be any real number, and if p of x is divided by any linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is p of a, where a is nothing but any real number. So remainder will be any real number. Okay, so what is the definition for remainder theorem? Let p of x be any polynomial, and in that polynomial degree should be greater than or equals to 1, and let a be any real number if p of x is divided by x minus a. X minus a is nothing but a linear polynomial. So this p of x polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial, then the remainder will be any real number. Understood? So based on this theorem we'll solve exercise 2.3. so I hope you might have understood this statement. So from this statement we can learn a few problems. So let us see exercise 2.3. Here is the first question. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. Okay, so we have to divide this polynomial with the linear polynomial. The first one is given x plus 1. So we have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1. Okay, so we start this. First I write the given polynomial. So very simple problems. Given polynomial p of x is equals to, I write x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is the given polynomial. So first one linear polynomial is x plus 1. To find the value of x, I write if x plus 1 equals to 0, that implies if I transpose plus 1 it becomes x is equals to minus 1. So we have to substitute x is equals to minus 1 in the given polynomial. From that we can find the remainder. So put x is equals to minus 1. That implies p of minus 1 equals to, so in place of x we substitute minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 equals to minus 1 cube. So minus is multiplied 3 times, we get minus 1 cube is 1 plus minus is multiplied 2 times, so minus into minus is plus 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 3 plus into minus is minus, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 right as it is. Okay, so here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled and plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0 when x is equals to minus 1. Understood? Now what is the second polynomial? X minus 1 by 2 is the second polynomial given. So to find the remainder we need to find the value of x. If x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0, now by transposing minus 1 by 2 then we get x is equals to 1 by 2. So we have to substitute x is equals to 1 by 2 in the given polynomial. So p of x equals to, what is the polynomial? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is the polynomial. So if I substitute x is equals to 1 by 2, then we get p of 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into x square is 1 by 2 x square plus 3 into x is 1 by 2 plus 1. Understood? So in place of x we substituted 1 by 2. That implies 1 cube is 1 divided by 2 cube is 8. Okay, plus 3 right as it is into 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 plus 1. 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So I write here. So I continue here. That implies 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so what is LCM here? LCM of 2, 4, 8. So I write here 2, 4, 8. So do the LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 4s are. Again with the 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is LCM? 2 1s, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. LCM is 8. So I take 1 by 8 into 8 plus 3 by 4 into 8 plus 3 by 2 into 8 plus 1 into 8. So we have to multiply each term with 8 and divided by 8 because LCM is 8. 8 8 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Now we get 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 8s are 8 divided by 8. So what we get if we add all this numerator? 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 12 19, 19 plus 8 27 divided by 8. So what is the remainder? 27 by 8 is the remainder when we substitute x is equals to 1 by 2. Understood? Now we'll see the third one, x. So x is given, that means we have to substitute x value in the given polynomial. Okay, so we'll see what we get. X, to find if x is equals to 0. If x is equals to 0, that means we have to substitute the value of x is equals to 0. So what is the polynomial given? P of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. If we substitute x is equals to 0, then we get 0 cube plus 3 into x square is 0 square plus 3 into x is 3 into 0 plus 1. 0 cube is 0, 3 into 0 square is 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1. So we get 1. When we substitute x is equals to 0, then remainder is 1. Understood? Now we'll see the fourth one. What is the fourth one? X plus pi. X plus pi is the fourth one. If x plus pi equals to 0, that implies x is equals to, if I transpose plus pi, we get a minus pi. That means we have to substitute the value of x is equals to minus pi in the given polynomial. So what is the polynomial? P of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is the polynomial. In this polynomial we have to substitute x is equals to minus pi. That is P of minus pi equals to minus pi whole cube plus 3 into x square is minus pi square plus 3x is 3 into minus pi plus 1. Okay, so here minus is multiplying 3 times, we get minus itself, pi cube. I write as it is. Minus is multiplied 2 times, we get minus into minus plus 3 into pi square is plus 3 pi square, plus into minus is minus, 3 into pi is 3 pi plus 1. Now we cannot solve this, and this is the remainder when we substitute x is equals to minus pi. And the last one we substitute the fifth one, that is 5 plus 2x. So this is the fifth one given. If 5 plus 2x is equals to 0, from this we can find the values of x. By transposing 5 to right side, we get 2x is equals to 0. If I transpose plus 5 to right side, it becomes minus 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Again, 2 is in multiplication. To find the value of x, transpose 2 to right side, x is equals to minus 5 by 2. So here we have to substitute x is equals to minus 5 by 2. So in the given polynomial. So what is polynomial? P of x is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. P of minus 5 by 2 equals to x cube is minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into x square is minus 5 by 2 x square plus 3 into x is minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Understood? In place of x we substituted minus 5 by 2. Right. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube. So we separate minus 5 cube by 2 cube. Minus 5 cube. Minus is multiplied 3 times. We get minus 5 cube is 125 divided by 2 cube is 8. Minus is multiplying 2 times. Minus into minus we get plus. So I write plus. 3 write as it is. And 5 square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4. Plus into minus is minus. 3 5s are 15 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now what is LCM here? So first I write another step. 125 by 8 plus 25 into 3 is 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So what is LCM here? LCM is 248. As in the previous problem we have done 248. LCM is 8. So I take LCM 8 minus 125 by 8 into 8 plus 75 by 4 into 8 minus 15 by 2 into 8 plus 1 into 8 divided by 8. So here we have written divided by 8. Now we continue this problem. So cancel here. 8 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are, and 2 1s are 2 4s are. Okay. Now minus 125 into 1 is minus 125. Next plus 75 2s are plus 150 minus 15 into 4 is minus 60 plus 1 into 8 is 8 divided by 8. Okay. Now first we add the positive numbers. 150 and 8 is 158 minus 125 and minus 60 is how much? Minus 200 and how much? Minus 185. Sorry, minus 185 minus 125 minus 60 is minus 185 divided by 8. Now what is the answer? Minus 158 minus 185. So we get minus 27. 158 minus 185 is minus 27 divided by 8. So what is the remainder? Minus 25 minus 27 by 8 is the remainder when we substitute x is equals to minus 5 by 2. So these are the problems from first question. So hope you might have understood this. Now let's move on to the second one. Question number 2. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. So this is the polynomial given and we have to divide this polynomial with a linear polynomial x minus p. First I write a given polynomial. Given polynomial p of x is equals to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. Okay, so with what we have to divide? X minus p. If x minus p equals to 0. So to find the value of x, we have to make this linear polynomial 0. Now transpose minus p to right side, then we get x is equals to 0 plus p. 0 plus p is a p. That means we have to substitute the value of x as a p in the given polynomial. Then we get p of x is equals to, so I take this as f of x, because if I substitute p, we get p of p. So we take f of x is equals to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is the polynomial. So what we have to substitute, x is equals to p, that is f of p equals to, so in place of x substituting p cube minus p into p square, x in place of x we are substituting p, that is p square plus 6, x is nothing but 6p minus p cube I write as it is, p into p square, that is p power 1 into p square, we get a p cube plus 6p minus 1p, this is p is nothing but 1p, 6p minus 1p is 5p. So here this is plus p cube and minus p cube, plus p cube minus p cube get cancelled, and what is left, 5p. So 5p is the remainder when I substitute x is equals to p in the given polynomial. Understood? So this is very simple problem, so you might have understood. And now we'll move on to the third question. Question number 3. Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is a linear polynomial. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. So this is the polynomial given p of x, and which is divided by the linear polynomial 2x minus 3. If I divide these two polynomials, does it divide the polynomial? We have to state the reason. That means if the remainder is 0, then it is divisible by the given polynomial. Okay, linear polynomial. If it is not equals to 0, that means if the remainder is not 0, then it is not divisible by the given linear polynomial. Okay, first we write a given polynomial. What is polynomial given? P of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is the given polynomial. So with what we have to divide? Linear polynomial 2x minus 3. So to find the value of x, I take if 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, now transpose minus 3, then we get 2x is equals to 3. If I transpose minus 3 to RHS, it becomes plus 3. Now here to find the value of x, 2 is in multiplication, transpose multiplication to right side, then we get value of x is equals to 3 by 2. By transposing multiplication to RHS, it becomes division. So we have to substitute x is equals to 3 by 2 in the given polynomial. Now put x is equals to 3 by 2, then p of x is 3 by 2 equals to 2 into x square is 3 by 2 x square, 3 by 2 square minus 3 into value of x is 3 by 2 plus 5. Okay, so here we are substituting the value of x as 3 by 2. Then we get 2 into 3 square is 9 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2 plus 5. So here 2 and 4 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is left? 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. So this is plus 9 by 2 and this is minus 9 by 2 get cancelled, and what is left? Which is 5. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. As the remainder is 5, then we say that 2x minus 3 is not the factor of p of x. Okay, so it is not the factor. Factor, it means if the remainder is equals to 0, then we say that it is a factor of a given polynomial. If the remainder is not 0, then it is not a factor of a given polynomial. Understood? So here the remainder is 5. So we can conclude this by writing as the remainder is 5. Then we say that 2x minus 3 is not a factor of polynomial p of x. Understood? So here the remainder is not 0, so we say that it is not a factor of given polynomial p of x. Understood? So this is question number 3. We'll move on to the next question number 4. Next question number 4. Find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. X minus 2 by 3 is a linear polynomial. We have to divide this linear polynomial with the 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. And we have to find the remainder. Okay. First I write the given polynomial. P of x equals to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is the given polynomial. Okay, so x minus 2 by 3 is a linear polynomial. From this we have to find the value of x by taking if x minus 2 by 3 equals to 0, then that implies if I transpose minus 2 by 3, then we can get the value of x is equals to 2 by 3. So here we have to substitute x is equals to 2 by 3 in the given polynomial. Then put x is equals to 2 by 3. We get p of 2 by 3 equals to, so in place of x we substitute 2 by 3, that is 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. 9 into 2 cube is 8 divided by 3 cube is 27 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 divided by 3 square is 9 plus 2 by 3 right as it is, and minus 5 is also in the same place. Now can we cancel this? 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 ones are 3, 3s are, and minus 5 as it is. What is left? 1 into 8 is 8 divided by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. You can see these three fractions are like fractions having the same denominator 3, 3, 3. First add the positive numbers, that is 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 by 3. 10 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 5. Again we have two like fractions. By subtracting the numerators, 10 minus 4 is 6 by 3 minus 5. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are. What is left? 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So what is the remainder? Minus 3 is a remainder. Understood? So here we have to substitute the value of x in the given polynomial, then we can find the remainder. Understood? So this is question number 4. Next we'll move on to the fifth one. Question number 5. If the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. So here they have given the two polynomials. One of the polynomial we take as a p of x and the other polynomial I take as a f of x. And if I divide these two polynomials with x minus 2 with a linear polynomial, leaves the same remainder. Okay, these are the two polynomials, and if I divide these two polynomials with a linear polynomial, the remainder will be same. That means these two polynomials are same when I divide with x minus 2. The remainder will be same. Okay, now I take the given polynomials as one of the polynomial. I take p of x, which is equals to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5, and the next one I take f of x is equals to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. So here these are the two polynomials, p of x and f of x. If I divide with x minus 2 and leaves the same remainder, so to find the value of x, so I write this statement: if p of x and f of x are divided by the polynomial x minus 2 leaves the same remainder, then p of x is equals to f of x. Understood this point? If I divide these two polynomials with x minus 2, it leaves the same remainder, then we can say p of x is equals to f of x. Now what is p of x? P of x I write 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 equals to f of x is x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. Okay, so here these are the two polynomials, and if I divide with the polynomial x minus 2, so if x minus 2 equals to 0, then what is the value of x? X is equals to 2. If I transpose minus 2, then it becomes a plus 2. Substitute x is equals to 2 in these two polynomials, then we get 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5 equals to again 2 cube 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. So we substituted the value of x is equals to 2. 2 into 2 cube is 8 plus a into 2 square is 4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5 equals to 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square 4 minus 4 2s are 8 plus a. Okay, 2 8s are 16 plus 4 into a is 4a plus 6 minus 5 is 1. So here plus 8 and minus 8 get cancelled, and what is left? 4 plus a. So a transpose to left side and the constants to right side. 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 4a equals to 4 plus a. Now transpose this a to left side, that is variable, and the constants to right side. 4a right as it is. If I transpose plus a, it becomes minus a equals to right 4 as it is, and if I transpose plus 17, it becomes minus 17. Okay, 4a minus a is 3a equals to 4 minus 17 is minus 13. Now 3 into a, 3 is in multiplication. If I transpose multiplication to RHS, it becomes division. Then we can find the value of a. A equals to minus 13 by 3. So value of a is minus 13 by 3. Understood? So this question is very important. So if you understand the question, then you can solve the problem easily. So I hope you might have understood this question number 5. So these are the 5 questions from exercise 2.3. I hope you all might have understood all these problems. If you have any doubts related to these 5 questions, you can message me in the comment box. And the remaining problems we'll see in the next video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.